Driver's side pads changed. I feel better putting the tire on without pushing and pulling I'm doing on that oil filter. Being the truck still on a jack and stands. Two 14mm bolts gets the caliper out. And I was able to knock these crusty brake pads out. Still had some life, just doesn't look very good. I use the piston compression tool to compress the piston in, and to my surprise, it went in. I'd have figured it was seasoned, I would have needed new calipers. New pads. Gonna put some grease on there and install it. Let's send it. And the same thing is done for this side. Brake parts cleaner, of course. As good as these bad boys. New pads are in. Sooner than later, I'll probably say screw it and just change out the calipers to some new ones. They're not that expensive.